10 foods that are high in vitamin C. 1. Chili peppers. Green chili peppers contain 242 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. Therefore, one green chili pepper delivers 121% of the DV, while one red chili pepper delivers 72%. 2. Guavas. Guavas contain 228 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. One guava fruit delivers 140% of the DV for this vitamin. 3. Sweet yellow peppers. Yellow peppers contain the highest vitamin C concentration of all sweet peppers with 183 milligrams per 100 grams. 1/2 cup of sweet yellow peppers delivers 152% of the recommended DV. 4. Parsley. Parsley contains 133 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. Sprinkling 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley on your meal delivers 11% of the DV for vitamin C, which helps increase iron absorption. 5. Kiwis. Kiwis contain 93 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. One medium-sized kiwi provides 79% of the DV for vitamin C, which benefits blood circulation and immunity. 6. Broccoli. Broccoli contains 89 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1/2 cup of steamed broccoli provides 57% of the DV for vitamin C and may lower your risk of inflammatory diseases. 7. Lemons. Lemons contain 77 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, with one medium lemon delivering 92% of the DV. Vitamin C has potent antioxidant benefits and can keep your cut fruits and vegetables from turning brown. 8. Papayas. Papaya contains 62 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1 cup of papaya delivers 87 milligrams of vitamin C, which may help improve memory. 9. Strawberries. Strawberries contain 59 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1 cup of strawberry halves delivers 89 milligrams of vitamin C. This nutritious fruit may help your heart and brain health. 10. Oranges. Oranges contain 53 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1 medium orange delivers 70 milligrams of vitamin C. Other citrus fruits, such as grapefruit, mandarins, and limes, are also good sources of this vitamin. Vitamin C is vital for your immune system, connective tissue, and heart and blood vessel health, among many other important roles. While citrus fruits may be the most famous source of vitamin C, a wide variety of fruits and vegetables are rich in this vitamin and may even exceed the amounts found in citrus fruits. By eating some of the foods suggested above each day, your needs should be covered. A diet rich in vitamin C is an essential step toward good health and disease prevention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated for our next videos. Thank you for watching.